The new warning from the country's leading health experts. It is about that cantaloupe and the outbreak of Listeria, officially the deadliest food crisis in America in more than 10 years. Health detectives at the CDC said today Listeria can incubate inside the body for up to 2 months. So the number of victims is expected to rise. And here are the numbers tonight. 72 cases of Listeria, as many as 16 deaths, all linked to cantaloupe from that farm in Colorado. And ABC's Sharon Alfonsi tracked the investigation all day today.
In labs across the country tonight, food investigators are working around the clock trying to track the spread of the deadliest Listeria outbreak in a decade. It's believed the bad cantaloupes came from here, Jensen Farms in Holly, Colorado. The cantaloupes in question were shipped from July 29th through September 10th. We contacted that farm today, and they told us they shipped at a minimum more than 1.5 million cantaloupe during that time to more than 24 states. Today, public health officials assured the public all the bad cantaloupes have been recalled from grocery shelves, but warned it doesn't mean we're in the clear. Not when you're dealing with Listeria.
You'll ingest the small number of Listeria. They don't make you sick right away.
In fact, it can take 2 months before you experience the symptoms. 2 months after eating the cantaloupe and ingesting just trace amounts of Listeria, you can develop fever and muscle aches. Antibiotics can treat you, but without treatment, the illness can leave its victims incapacitated and unable to speak. Most at risk, pregnant women, the elderly, and those with compromised immune systems. Especially worrying to doctors because most people don't realize they've been poisoned until they become very ill.
There's no way of knowing that if we have swallowed the Listeria and it's kind of smoldering around in our intestinal tracts. There's no way to know that.
So what's a shopper to do now? Well, not all the cantaloupes were marked, but some may have this green and white sticker marked Sweet Rocky Ford's Jensen Farms on it. Or they may come in a Frontiera produce crate like this.
Now, the FDA said today if you have one of those cantaloupes, throw it out. Don't try to wash it. And if you have a cantaloupe and you don't know where it's from, throw it out too. You don't want to risk it. Listeria is actually hardier than Salmonella or even E. coli. And unlike other bacteria, colder temperatures don't destroy it. So the Listeria actually grows and thrives in the refrigerator. So it could be in that melon, in the refrigerator, growing.
And you were saying to me, use bleach for your counters and your refrigerators and really wash your hands.
Absolutely. If you think it was on the counter, wash that counter, bleach the counter. You don't want to risk it.
Thanks so much, Sharon.